Hello fellow traders, welcome to Porsaj Forex Academy. My name is Simon and I'm here with a new signal for today. Today's signal is going to be on GBPCHF, and with no more time to waste, let's head to our calendar and see what do we have. Okay, now that we are on calendar, as you can see, we don't have as much as news that are going to help us identify the overall trend and the overall impact of these two news. But the overall points that this currency has gotten was positive, and this is actually good for our setup, because our setup on this currency is going to be a buy setup. And as you can see, for now, currently the buyers are much more stronger than the sellers. So as we all know, news are not enough, and we have to head to our chart and see what do we have there. So let's go. Okay, yeah, now as you can see, we are on GBPCHF on 1 hour time frame. I have pre-drawn some zones for you. There is a really strong support zone below the price right here. The price broke down through it, gathered all the money below these actually equal lows, and started to move up again. And this is going to be a small reversal to the to the downside, and I would call it a correction. And then after this, we are gonna actually experience a move to the upside, and this is how our setup is going to work out. We have a resistance zone above these highs, and this is going to help us to identify where should we put our TPs. So as always, what I want from you is to sit back, enjoy the music, so I can make this more beautiful for you guys. Enjoy. Okay, now that we have this beautiful setup, let me end it like this. The best traders are the ones who can adapt to changing market conditions. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed. Have a good day and peace.